Hello dear students, in your class I have to deal with the paper cell biology, and for that paper you please go through the book of Veer Bala Rastogi, and in that book you could have all the contents of the paper that you have to study in the cell biology. So when we talk about the cell biology, it means we have to deal with the cell types and detailed structure of different cell organelles that could be seen in a cell type. So coming back to the cell, what do you think? What comes in your mind immediately when we coin a word cell? So cell is the basic unit of life and building block of the body of either plant, animal or human being. It means if you think about the body of a human being or a plant or a animal body, the thing that you have to first of all consider is a cell, and that cell is organized in the form of different kind of tissues to perform different functions allotted to them in turn. So that cell is so important that without that you cannot think either for the plant or for an animal or for a human being. So how the cell looks like, what is its structure, what is its function, all the things that you have to consider in the paper cell biology. So come to the cell.